Welcome to this moment of pause and presence. Whether you're indoors by a window, near a plant, or outdoors, this experience can be enjoyed wherever you are. I invite you to set aside distractions, place your phone on airplane mode, and if possible, put it in your pocket or set it on a speaker. And if you're using earbuds, try leaving one in and one out to stay connected to both my voice and the sounds around you. Please take any necessary safety precautions and make choices that feel right for your well being. We're about to begin. I want to invite you to look around your space and find a natural being to explore with your sense of touch. It might be a rock, pine cone, a leaf, or a plant, whatever feels right to you. Everything is welcomed. Now that you found your being, begin by holding it in your hand and take a few moments to simply look at it. Notice its color, shape, and any edges or curves it may have. And as you hold it, bring your attention to its texture. Perhaps it feels rough or smooth, soft or firm. Take your time as your fingers move over its surface. You might notice ridges, grooves, or just soft spots. Perhaps consider that each texture could hold a story of the journey this being has been on. If it feels comfortable, I want to invite you to close your eyes or soften your gaze and just letting the sense of touch guide you even more deeply. And as your fingers continue exploring, you might want to bring the being to different parts of your hand, maybe the palm, back of your hand, maybe even between your fingers. And I wonder how each part of your hand feels as it meets this being and what it's like to be touched by it in different areas of your hand. Now, if it feels comfortable, I want to invite you to place that being somewhere else on your body, perhaps on an area that is exposed to the air, or maybe one that it's covered, maybe your face, your shoulder, your knee, or even over your heart. And I wonder what it feels like to connect with the being in this way. Notice the weight of the being. I wonder what it feels like to hold or be held by something from nature with its own unique shape and texture. Now, with curiosity, I want to invite you to bring your being close to your ear. Perhaps you might want to rub or roll your fingers across its textures. And as we all are part of this natural world, I wonder what sounds you might be adding to the melody of the space you're in as you touch the being this way. Now, allow the being to rest quietly wherever it feels right for you. Take a moment to feel its presence and wonder about its journey. Perhaps imagine where it has come from and how many years it has been part of the earth. Perhaps consider how it arrived here to be with you in this particular moment today. I want to invite you to gently open your eyes and just take one more look at your being. What do you notice at this exploration? When you're ready, return your being back to its place. Perhaps sit with this being for a few more moments, and maybe you'd like to share something with it, and perhaps it will share something with you.